Hi, this is Ankit Dadu from Bhushan Steel Corporation. We are into manufacturing of tractor and auto components since last 40 years. We are supplying to various tractor OEMs. We are manufacturing various items such as stub axle shafts, brake pedal shafts, pivot pins. We got associated with LMW in the year 2018 when we started with CNC turning centers. After that, we have added various CNC turning centers as well as vertical machining centers. The major benefits of their machines is that they have such good quality that we developed very critical and high precision components which were earlier a distant dream for us. Apart from this, their machines are so good in quality that it has led to increase in productivity as well as reduction in rejection and cycle times. I have also suggested their machines to many of my friends and cousins, and they have also benefited from their machines. Since they have a local office, their service is also very good. We have been using their services, as I told you, since the year 2018. I wish all the best to the LMW team, and thank you very much.